In this video, I will show you how to translate this PowerPoint presentation in Wordfast Classic using memoQ. In memoQ, I will create a new project. The name of the project will be this one, and this will be from English into French. Finish. And now all I have to do is drag and drop my PowerPoint here. I can open it in memoQ just to see it was imported correctly. Yes. I go back to Project Home, and now I will select Export, Export Bilingual, 2-column RTF. Next. I don't need comments, I don't need segment status, and Export. This is the bilingual file exported from memoQ. I will press Enter here in order to insert a couple of lines. Then I will select the first 2 lines of the table. I will cut them and I will paste them on top of the table. Now I will delete the right column that I don't need. I will copy the first column and I will insert it into a new Word document. I will convert this document into text. This will make it easier to translate in Wordfast Classic. I will give it a name. That name will be FR uncleaned, and I can now start translating in Wordfast Classic just normally. Now the file that we obtained is what you see is what you get. So if you have bold text like here, you can just put it in bold in Word. Now I have translated my entire document. I will save it with another name. So I will delete uncleaned. And I will clean it. For that, I'll use Quick Cleanup. My document has been cleaned. Now I can select the entire document with Ctrl A, and I can convert it back into a table. I will copy this table, which is a 1-column copy. I will go back to my original table, and I will paste the column here. Now I can delete the extra paragraph marks so that my table is back the way it was before. I can save it and I will close it. I can go back to memoQ, and here I will select Import, and I will point to the RTF file that we just generated. Open. memoQ recognized that it's supposed to update the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. And the update was successful. So if I open my document, I can see all the translations were imported. Now I can go back to Project Home, and here I select Export, Export Dialog. I will add FR to the file name, so I know it's the French translation. And memoQ just created the French version of this PowerPoint file. And it looks just fine. Everything is in French with the original layout.